Hello! This is... Wow, Mila, you look amazing today. You have this Vader t-shirt. Wow. So, guess everybody, what we're gonna play today? It's Star Wars. Star Wars Air Hogs. That's how you call this toy. It's X-34 LandSpeeder. We all know that speeder from Star Wars, and Luke Skywalker was riding it with Obi-Wan. Yeah, we have to open it to play. Mila, there's no button. We have to open it first. Let's open it. And beep. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's see. Wow.
What?
This is an instructions.
Mama.
See, here, open it. Tell us what to do. So Mila, are we doing everything according to the instructions? So, get this. Wow, a remote control, look. Cool.
Don't touch the Christmas.
And okay. So, what do you see, Mila? Tell us. You have, okay, we have to install batteries, it says, right? And what else? So it can fly, yes. You're saying that it can fly. I understand. What else? Okay, finally, wow. Here we have the X-34 LandSpeeder. So let's install batteries first. Wow. See, it got wheels. It doesn't fly, unfortunately, but it has wheels. Here you go. Install three AAA batteries, and here also we need 3 AAA batteries.
Mama.
With the force.
Mama.
May the force be with this X-34. Okay, let me do it. I'll help you. Oh. Yeah, there's a little ball there. Little ball. It's a wheel. That's a wheel. Okay, let's close it and Ready? Okay, so remote control.
Oi. Yeah.
And here.
Oi.
Wow. Okay, you see? Wow, so cool. And Luke is inside. Luke is inside. Let's turn it on. Wow. Wow. Okay. Wow. Come on, Luke. Wow. So cool. It makes the sounds from the movie. Like it's wow. Wow. Bye bye. Okay. Here is again the remote control. You see? Here is the remote control, you see? Wow, Mila, here you go. Look. Uh-huh. You are pressing the wrong button now. Huh? And wow. Why is it not going? Wow. Again. Oh, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Such a cool speeder. No, this one. Well, you see, it has a. You have to point. You have to point towards the speeder in order for it to work. It's on the floor. Is this one? Point. Wow. Such a cool speeder. Buy it and play it. Look and force it with Mila and Luke today. So, amazing speeder. Easy to control.